Let's make this simple chicken chow mein that you can cook in less than 30 minutes.
Cook it yourself.
To a bowl, add white pepper, water, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, honey, and cooking wine. Stir together till everything combines and set it aside. Here are the vegetables I'm using: bean sprout, bell pepper, carrot, ginger, garlic, and spring onion. Cut your carrots to the size you'd like, then set it aside. Cut the white and the green part of the green onion differently and put into two different containers because they would enter the food at two different times. Slice your bell peppers into the size and shape that you like and set that aside as well. Next, chop your onion and set it aside. Next, smash your garlic and chop it. Then chop your ginger and your garlic together and set both aside as well. Once you're done with chopping all your chicken, next is to dice your chicken. I'm using deboned chicken thigh. Dice this into the size that you'd like, then let's marinate that. To marinate your chicken, use light soy sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, baking powder, white pepper, honey, and black pepper. Stir this together well until it combines, then set it aside to marinate for about 10 minutes. While that is marinating, let's make the noodle. Put some water on fire. Once it boils, add your noodle to the water. Then cook your noodle for about 2 minutes. This is to make sure it doesn't get too soft. Take it off the fire and rinse it under cold water to stop your noodle from cooking. Once your noodle is ready, get your wok or your pan on fire. Once it is hot, add in neutral oil. Add in your ginger and garlic, then add in your onion immediately as well. Stir this to saute for about 1 minute, then add your already marinated chicken. Stir fry your chicken until it is well cooked, then go in with all your other vegetables except the green part of the spring onion and your bean sprout. Stir fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes, then go in with your already cooked noodle and the sauce immediately. After stir frying this for another 2 to 3 minutes, go in with your bean sprouts, then stir fry for another 2 minutes and go in with the green part of your spring onion, then stir fry for about 30 seconds and take off the fire. There you have it. Here is the simple but tasty chicken chow mein. I am enjoying this with some chili pepper. The video would be the next one to play after this. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Bye.
Cook it yourself. Don't go back to basics. Boring, tasteless. Face it.